truck is totaled, completely done. Guess what? We are embarking on the longest journey of our kinship yet. We are going born free, baby. That's right. We're taking these bad Larry bikes over here, and we're going to the land of the free, home of the born. And that's where it's at. So, we'll see you there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're in the middle of Wyoming right now. Currently, there's Natalie, Kyle's driving, and ETA.
I'm about to get down.
There's a condom that he's gonna put out the window.
Oh, this is way too big. I can't use
it. Oh my gosh. We're still in Wyoming. Yep.
I do this into someone's car.
Oh shit.
Let's go.
Oh, it's so big. Oh my gosh. Nobody can ever say it won't fit. Oh shit.
It held way longer.
Yeah, so check it out. Basically what the deal is we're driving from where we're from in Pennsylvania all the way to Las Vegas, Nevada. Then we're gonna ride from Vegas all the way to Silverado, California, which is where Born Free is. We're gonna camp out there for a few days, and head on back to Vegas, and then drive back of the way back to Pennsylvania. So let's get after it. Boom.
Alright, Natalie. I got you an early birthday gift. You gotta close your eyes though and put out your hands.
Oh my god, I'm really scared. It's a penis. It's probably.
That'd be so fucked up.
Probably.
No,
That would be so fucking.
It's
no.
probably
This is because you've been so good at the long haul. We really appreciate you.
Oh my god, it's probably like a penis sheet something. Or like a cucumber. Oh my god. A fucking sugar hat.
Because you're a trucker now. You're a real trucker. You drove for all 4
I
hours.
think put it like make this an F and just keep on fucking.
I mean, yeah. If you want to do that, it's your gift.
You got a real
Do whatever
dirty
you like
mind.
with it.
You know that, right?
Thank you so much for
Wait, what's
this.
the back say?
It's just a picture of a truck.
Keep on trucking.
Oh no, I left the price tag on. That's very kitschy. Sorry.
Oh, it's in her hair.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I can't get it out of your hair.
We don't hate you, Molly. We love you.
Kick it, BTA.
I'm in or not?
Nah. Ah! It's in gear.
What's up?
Stomp your left foot first.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah. Pick number 1.
So if you didn't see my Instagram story, BTA got a flat yesterday. Wait, let's see if we can find it.
Right here.
Fucking nail. Dead center in the middle of his tire.
I don't miss, baby.
So we're here in Vegas still at Motorcycle Tire Center. Thanks to the recommendations from Instagram. We're gonna get BTA hooked up with a new tube and then get back on the road. Yep. More chronicles from Nevada, I guess. What happened, Kyle?
I don't know. I think my plugs are probably foul because I run Rich's house. I like my motorcycles like I like my women. Rich, retarded, finger tight. Could you do me a favor? Could you go get the toolkit out of the flat one?
Yeah.
The flat one with all the black one?
It's in the bed of the truck.
Alright, that's why they call me the one kick prick. How bad is it you break down in 15 minutes?
So trailers are cool.
There's always gonna be one guy.
Come on, don't run it out.
Yeah, I'm bringing mine. Trailer Queens.
So we made it to Born Free, but this shook loose, this shook loose, this shook loose, and this shook loose. This shook loose, and I was running an open fucking pipe the entire fucking
Yeah, what's
fucking
your
way.
what's your saying again? Like your bikes, like you like your women?
Yeah,
Finger tight?
I'll insert that clip right here.
I like my motorcycles like I like my women. Rich, retarded, finger tight. Rich, retarded, and finger tight.
Dan, let me move this trailer back real quick and then fuck, we'll get you in there. Morning, today's the day. Freeborn. Freeborn. Free.
Experience everything all
here.
at once.
Take it slow. There's so much time.
How's it going? Alright, what's up YouTube? That concludes day 1 of Born Free. We still got tomorrow left to go, but man, we are beat. Honestly, such a fun time. Met so many cool, awesome people. Shout out to all the awesome companies that support us. Kyle and I got dropped off by the tow truck driver to the hotel. Fuck, my truck is totaled, completely done. Probably never gonna see it ever again, but the choppers are okay, thankfully. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm walking to the gas station to get some waters because holy fuck. But yeah, Kyle and I are okay. We're good. I had a cattle guard on the front of my truck, which honestly probably saved us a great deal there. But other than that, I'm just videotaping this right now because I feel like I just have to kind of document everything, but it's gonna go in the vlog as you're probably watching it right now saying god dang. But yeah, peace out my truck, and hopefully insurance hooks me up nice and good for it. But yeah, we smoked a deer going about 70 traveling on I-70 east back to Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's the story. So
Did the driver get there quick?
yeah, he got there pretty quick. Here's the deal, Kyle and I are okay. Kyle's right there. Here's what our trailer looks like. It's all deer guts everywhere. Anyways, insurance isn't gonna be able to help us out with the rental truck for the ride home, so we're stuck in Odessa, Missouri. Gonna have to just fork it over for a U-Haul truck or something like that. So with that being said, if you have any interest, pop over to my web store, pick up a t-shirt or something like that, or some stickers or whatever, or an art print or something, just to, you know, ease our travel back home a little bit. That'd be super awesome. Got all the chops here safe in the back. But yeah, if you feel like buying a t-shirt, that'd rule. Come here. Okay. What's up, YouTube? There's the old trailer there that saw all of our junk. Thanks to this dude right there. That's Scott. I'll let you say what's up, Scott.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome to Kansas.
Welcome to Kansas. So Scott rescued Kyle and I from Odessa, Missouri, and he hooked us up with the tow in his sweet little van over there up to this U-Haul in Kansas that had a truck for us. So we're gonna ditch the trailer. My truck is gonna be buried in Odessa, so I've already come to terms with that, but we've now got this bad Larry U-Haul truck right now, and we're gonna mosey on home, so that's the plan. Next time I talk to you, ideally we'll be in Pennsylvania, so until then, cheers. Well, it wasn't very comfortable, but good old U-Haul brought us back to Chalfont. There's Kyle. We're home. So, I gotta buy a new truck, but other than that, we had a good time. Deer did not have a good time, but we had a good time. Yeah, this U-Haul hauled us back from Kansas somewhere. Not very comfortable, I don't know. I wouldn't recommend it, but it did what we needed it to do. And for that, we thank you, U-Haul.